Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes through the IRS using an easy method. First, gather all your essential documents, such as W-2s and any Form 1099 statements. Next, select an IRS-approved e-file option, which simplifies the process significantly. Finally, determine your correct filing status, as this impacts your deductions and credits. This approach helps ensure accuracy and a smoother tax season for everyone. The IRS offers a fantastic free file program for many taxpayers. If your adjusted gross income is below the specified threshold, you can access guided tax software from various IRS partners at no cost. This program is designed to help you file your federal taxes easily and accurately. Always double-check the eligibility requirements to ensure you qualify for this valuable service. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're preparing for a busy week or just packing lunch. Check the description below for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For those with simpler tax situations, the IRS Direct File program might be a great fit. It's a new, free, and secure way to file directly with the IRS. Alternatively, you can still choose to paper file, though this method typically involves longer processing times. If you opt for paper, remember to mail your completed Form 1040 to the correct IRS address, which you can find on the IRS website. Before submitting, it's crucial to carefully review your entire tax return for any potential errors. Double-check all numbers, especially Social Security numbers and bank account information, to avoid delays. Electronic submission is highly recommended for faster processing and quicker refunds. Once you're confident everything is correct, hit that submit button and breathe a sigh of relief.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.